So one very common question is, what do I do about exercise once I found out that I'm pregnant? And what we always say is that exercise is really important during pregnancy. It's really important to keep moving and keep doing what you're used to doing. Ideally, though, it's best to take it down just a notch. When you're pregnant, there's hormones that are actually relaxing ligaments and muscles so that you've got room to grow your baby. And these ligaments, because they're a bit looser, mean that your joints aren't held so tightly as normal. So doing something really quite normal that you're very used to can actually lead to an injury. So if you're used to sort of high intensity training, we would just say to go down a notch. If you can increase things like Pilates, yoga, swimming, as obviously these are all very low impact. People always worry about directly training their core as well when pregnant. Ideally, you shouldn't do this. Obviously, the muscles are going to relax and separate to give you room for your bump to grow. What we don't want to do is strengthen them when they're in that separated form and strengthen them in any way at that point. The best thing to do is exercises that indirectly train your core, so stability exercises like the yoga and Pilates, but you wouldn't actually want to just do a lot of abdominal crunches or V-sits or anything like that. So we always say carry on with doing what you're doing, just take it down a notch. If you have a PT or if you're using classes at the gym where you've got an instructor there, just always let them know that you're pregnant, and there might be certain things that they recommend that you don't do. But keep an eye, your body generally tells you what's right and what's wrong. So if you feel like you've overdone it, just remember for next time, just maybe that you did a bit too much that day and just relax it off a little bit. If at any point you get any abdominal pain, cramps or anything like that, then definitely slow down, recover, see how your body's feeling a few days later. But keep doing what you're doing. Just don't start training for a marathon when you're newly pregnant or something that's out of the ordinary for your body. But in general, exercise, very good. Keep up with walking, swimming, yoga, Pilates, and enjoy.